Now, how can you open a PDF file on the Pages using your iPad? Let's get started. So, as you can see, the Pages doesn't really support the editing of PDFs. So, in order to really put the PDF file into that application, you will need to convert and perform a conversion at first. So, I would recommend you to simply just look it up inside of the Safari. So, just convert the PDF to Word, right? And you will be able to use many of the websites available in here. So you can just select the PDF, then convert it or like upload it to that website, make the conversion run. And after you are going to be done, you will have a Word document, which then is possible to be open using the Pages application, right? So it is a different thing, right? So using the conversion, it should get the job done and allow you to actually use it that way. Just keep in mind that the PDFs can also be like tweaked and edited using some dedicated PDF application. So it's not necessarily have to be, it's not like the condition is that we have to tweak it inside of the Apple Pages. Outside of that, we also have like different PDF editors and stuff like that. So depends on what exactly you want to achieve. But if you really need to put a PDF file into the Pages, you will need to at first convert it to a Word, and then you can see it like that. You can also make it appear inside of the Pages application. So that's how it works. Let me know below in the comments if that fixed your issue or if this is something that you wanted to do. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.